Materials, cable, cutting pliers, crimping tools, cable cutter, RJ45 connector, LAN tester. Steps: cut the cable with cutting pliers. Strip the cable jacket using cable cutter. Straight the conductor insulation. And then arrange the conductor insulation based on the type of T568B. Cut the conductor insulation to the same length. Insert the conductor insulation to the RJ45 connector tidily. Press the cable to RJ45 connector using crimping tools to maximal position and correctly. Plug the cable into LAN tester. Turn on the LAN tester. When the LAN tester detector lamp light up on number 1 to 8, it is success.